Welcome to the world of phytoplanktons and sharks. What do you think a shark has to say about microscopic organisms like phytoplanktons? And what on earth does this have anything to do with global warming? Listen to a shark answering this on If I Could Speak. Hello again, I'm a shark, and I'm gonna enlighten you on 3 things. What are phytoplanktons? What do they have to do with sharks? And what would happen if we sharks go extinct? Well, phytoplanktons are tiny aquatic plants that can be found in the ocean waters. You can't typically see them without a microscope. You can, however, see them from space as the big greenish surfaces in the oceans that bloom during certain periods of the year. They are super duper important. Half the oxygen you breathe comes from sea plants like phytoplankton. Since phytoplanktons require sunlight to do photosynthesis and produce oxygen for us, then where do you think they are found in this ocean profile? Of course, the answer is at the surface. Now, enough talking about planktons. Let's talk about me. What do I have to do with all of this? Large, deep-diving sharks like me help phytoplanktons to grow simply by cruising between ocean depth and the shallows. One species of sharks was found to dive around 6,560 feet, nearly 2.5 times more than the height of the tallest building in the world. Creatures like me dive down to feed, and then when we return to the surface, we defecate, bringing back crucial nutrients. What are these nutrients useful for? Well, without those essential nutrients, phytoplanktons cannot grow. So yeah, you can consider us sharks as deep-diving gardeners that help you humans to breathe. A simple thank you to these planktons or to us sharks would be appreciated.
I guess you're right, Plankton.
Or instead, no need to thank us, just protect us.
Here's what would happen in a world with no sharks. The oceans will no longer be balanced. Populations of seals and sea lions, for example, will potentially explode. They would eat more and more fish until eventually there is no fish left. Soon enough, sea lions and seals will starve and die. This imbalance that we will face by the absence of sharks might cause some animals to either increase in numbers or to completely disappear. In both cases, this will have catastrophic effects. If plankton grows out of control, oceans will become a thick sludge. Nothing could survive in the water. Oceans will become unlivable. And on the opposite, if planktons decrease in numbers, they store plenty of carbon dioxide and generate half of Earth's oxygen, and they will disappear. Earth will become unlivable. Oceans will become acidic. Many species that rely on the oceans for food, such as seabirds and polar bears, could starve and die. The loss of those animals will cause more species farther inland to die out. This pattern of cause and effect, called a trophic cascade, could spread like a wave across countries and continents until animals around the globe are affected, from bees to birds, and eventually to you, human.